Here we go! Here we go! What is it? See you later. Come on, I thought that I had this thing. Hold on.
You gotta be kidding. Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Jefferson County and west central Pennsylvania, east central Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southeast of New Bethlehem, or 14 miles southwest of Punxsutawney, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, Reynoldsville, Brockway, Sickles,ville, Falls Creek, Rural Valley, Big Run, Dayton, Rossiter, Marion Center, Plumville, and Timblin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.